How to make easy baked potatoes kids can do themselves. 4 ingredients. 1. Potatoes. 2. Shredded cheese. 3. Soft cheese. 4. Butter. Wash the potatoes thoroughly. Scrub if you must. Baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, or till the potatoes are soft. Then cut the potatoes in half. Spoon out the potatoes from the skin. Put the scooped potatoes in the mixing bowl. Leave fair amount of potatoes from the skin. It will give a firm hold later when served. Save the skin for the final bake. Mash the potatoes in the bowl. Melt the cheese in a pot. Add the potato and butter. Mix. This is the fun part, scooping the mix back to the potato skin. This simple recipe is a great activity for kids and kids at heart. Finally, sprinkle the shredded cheese on top and bake till the cheese melts. And you're done. Now, eat, chillax, enjoy, repeat.